This video is dedicated to all of my family in North Dakota who say I'm a crazy conspiracy theorist and this whole code of letters and numbers is nothing but nonsense. They couldn't be any further from the truth. But, maybe someday they'll have the eyes to see. Anyhow, North Dakota's in the national headlines. Supposedly there was a mass murder at a business. Notice the news says several bodies found at suburban Bismarck, North Dakota business. And, of course, they emphasize a word that has Gematria 44. Several equals 44. This is a number of killing. Kill equals 44, and this news comes today, April 1st, 2019, a date with 44 numerology. So often they'll report 4 dead because 4 is the number associated with death, and it comes from Far East culture. In Mandarin Chinese, you pronounce 4 the same as you pronounce the word death. Bismarck is the big city in North Dakota, if you're not aware. It didn't actually happen in Bismarck. It happened in the suburban town of Bismarck, Mandan. Never been in North Dakota. It's a very small place. Well, it's a big sprawling state with a lot of really small towns. But no doubt this will be the big news probably for the next century in North Dakota. Anyhow, Mandan has this Gematria 47. And notice the story comes from the police. Understand, police contrive these types of stories to give people a reminder why they need police, to keep them safe from boogeymen. If there are people really dead in this building, they probably were killed by the police. Anyhow, Mandan has Gematria 47, like the 47 degrees on the Masonic compass. Big number with government. Policeman, cop, government, they're all 47. So is the word authority, plus a whole lot more that relates to government. In case you're new here, words such as this sum to 47. White House, President, Republican, Democrat, plus government, authority. Even the letters DC equal 47 when you flip the alphabetic order around. But notice the name of the company. Here's the kicker. RJR Maintenance and Management. This is where the people were supposedly found dead. What's that equal? RJR Maintenance and Management 113, the number of the Scottish Rite of Freemasonry. And remember, it's a secret society. And how do you protect secrets? Often with lies. Freemasonry is very much based in Judaism. That's why, it's all about Solomon's Temple and things from the Old Testament, as well as Kabbalah, which is Jewish mysticism. In the Jewish text, the Talmud, in Baba Kama 113a, it says Jews may use lies to circumvent a Gentile. And look at all the things that sum to 113. Mainstream, dishonest, perverted, not true, not honest, not factual, disinfo, politics, perjury, fiction, bullshit, infidelity, divorce, sinister, and more. It's a number of deception. And that's what the mainstream is. It's all deception. It's all propaganda. It's all programming. It's fear-based. It's death-based. And it's all about maintaining, the police military state that we live in. So, we'll leave it there. Until next time, Truth Seeker.